The government has given the best ever gift for the common man on the eve of Diwali. Excise duty on petrol and diesel reduced significantly by 5 and 10 rupees. Will the state governments follow? Let's debate.
दिवाली का तोहफा तो बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि ये 5 रुपए भले ही हैं कहने को, लेकिन इससे जो कॉमन मैन है उसकी तो जेब पे काफी फर्क पड़ेगा.
Just a day before Diwali, consumers across India have a reason to cheer. Modi government has decided to cut excise duty on petrol by 5 rupees and diesel by 10 rupees.
दिवाली के हिसाब से तो बहुत सुकून है एक्चुअली. आगे जाके और उम्मीद करते कि और थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा.
बड़ी अच्छी बात है उनकी तरफ से तोहफा है पब्लिक के लिए.
अच्छी बात है. अभी पेट्रोल डालने आया था, अभी कैंसिल करता हूँ. कल सुबह डालते हैं या 12 बजे के बाद डालेंगे.
दिवाली पे पेट्रोल और डीजल के दाम जो कम हो रहे हैं, पेट्रोल पे 5 और डीजल में 10, ये मोदी सरकार का तोहफा है और ये पब्लिक के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. पर ये भी बहुत खुशी की बात है, दिवाली के समय इतना होना भी बहुत अच्छी बात है.
Which means from November 4th, the petrol price in Mumbai would be 110.85 rupees. In Delhi, it would be 98.42 rupees. Petrol would be sold for 106.66 rupees per litre in Chennai. And Kolkata will witness petrol price of 101.56 rupees. Further cuts on fuel prices would now depend on state governments reducing VAT prices.
As the petrol and diesel prices have been increasing day by day, well, now in a big relief given by the government of India, the petrol and diesel prices have been cut off by 5 rupees and 10 rupees respectively, as they have been a constant increase in the prices in the recent times. But now the government of India has decided to reduce the deduction of rates in the petrol and diesel prices, as a new change in the petrol and diesel prices will be seen on the eve of Diwali.
And this bold move by the Modi government has silenced the opposition that launched continual attacks on government.
When the UPA government was in power, international petrol prices had reached $140 per barrel. Today, the petrol price and diesel price in the international market is much lower than when we are in power. But you pay much more for your petrol and diesel. You should understand that today, India taxes petrol among the highest in the world.
Just 12 hours back, Rahul Gandhi had tweeted, and I quote, "It's Diwali. Inflation is at its peak. It's not a joke. I wish the Modi government had a sensitive heart for the public." So why is he silent on the high VAT in Congress-ruled states? Will the opposition acknowledge the big step taken to ease the lives of citizens? Let's debate.